All right, this is SAT Prep. We're doing test 3, section 3, and this is number 17, which is a grid-in problem. Is 7/9 x minus 4/9 x is equal to 1/4 plus 5/12? What is the value of x? Well, the easiest way to deal with this is to get a common denominator on both sides. This side already has a common denominator, right? In fact, specifically, this has not only a common denominator 9, but they're all x's. So you're going to get 3/9 x, right? Or honestly, you could write that as, well, 1/3 x, right? On the other side, if I were you, I would make this a common denominator of 12 by multiplying the first fraction by 3 over 3. So I'd get that this is 3/12 plus 5/12, meaning that I would say, hey, this is an 8/12, right? And then honestly, you could simplify the 8/12 if you want, or you can just multiply the 3 across first. It really doesn't matter. If you multiply the 3 over, you're going to end up, when you multiply this guy over, you're going to get 24 over 12, which is a 2. And so your answer is just x is 2. An interesting side note, and you might have noticed this from the last problem too, the last grid-in problem, the answer was 1 or 2. When in doubt, pick an easy number to grid in. If it's a grid-in problem, just pick a single-digit number that you like. Pick a 1 or a 2 or a 5 or whatever and bubble it in. Or pick your birthday, right? It doesn't have to be a single-digit number. If your birthday is 11, you could pick the 11th. I'm just going to suggest that you pick a single-digit number, and if you're stuck guessing on grid-in, you just guess that number all the time. Guess 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Every single time you have to guess a grid-in, or guess 1, 1, 1. 2s and 1s come up a lot, so it's not a terrible idea to guess 2s, 1s, and 3s. Like those numbers come up a lot. So anyway, for what it's worth.